The ultimate espresso machine comparison, Breville Barista Express versus competitors. Welcome back to ChicHome Finds, where we bring you the best in home and kitchen appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of espresso machines, focusing on the Breville BES 870 XL Barista Express and comparing it with two of its top competitors. If you're looking to elevate your coffee game at home, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, the star of our show, the Breville BES 870 XL Barista Express. This machine is beloved for offering a professional coffee shop experience at home. Integrated grinder, it comes with a built-in conical burr grinder, which ensures your beans are freshly ground for each shot, enhancing flavor significantly. Ease of use, despite its professional features, it's designed with beginners in mind, offering a user-friendly interface and comprehensive manual. Durability, made mostly of stainless steel, it's built to last, providing years of reliable service if maintained well. Customization, with 16 grind settings, you can really dial in your espresso to your taste. Size, it's a bit large, which might be an issue for smaller kitchens. Learning curve, there's a learning curve, especially for perfecting milk frothing. Price, although it's a good value for its features, it's still on the pricier side for home espresso machines. Now, let's look at the first competitor, the Gaggia Classic Pro. This machine has a reputation for being a barista's favorite due to its traditional design and performance. Durability, known for its longevity, the Gaggia Classic Pro uses commercial-grade components, ensuring it stands the test of time. Control, it offers precise control over brewing with its manual operation, which is perfect for coffee enthusiasts who love to tweak their shots. Affordability, compared to some high-end models, it's relatively affordable, making it accessible for those serious about espresso but not wanting to break the bank. No built-in grinder, unlike the Breville, you'll need to buy a separate grinder, which adds to the overall cost and setup complexity. Manual effort, it requires more manual effort, which might not suit everyone, especially beginners looking for convenience. Design, while functional, its design is more utilitarian and might not match the sleek look of modern kitchens. Moving on to our second competitor, the DeLonghi Dedica. This slim machine is perfect for those with space constraints but still crave quality espresso. Compact design, its slim profile makes it ideal for small kitchens or countertops where space is at a premium. Affordability, it's one of the more budget-friendly options, offering good value for money. Ease of use, with simple controls, it's very user-friendly, suitable for those new to espresso making. Limited customization, it lacks the detailed customization options of the Breville, with fewer grind settings and less control over the brewing process. No integrated grinder, similar to the Gaggia, you'll need an external grinder, adding to your setup and cost. Plastic components, while it's functional, parts of the machine are made of plastic, which might not feel as premium as the stainless steel of the Breville. So, there you have it, a detailed look at the Breville BES 870 XL Barista Express alongside the Gaggia Classic Pro and the DeLonghi Dedica. Each machine has its charm and caters to different needs. The Breville stands out for its all-in-one convenience, the Gaggia for its traditional espresso machine feel, and the DeLonghi for its space-saving design. If you're looking for a machine that does it all with minimal fuss, the Breville might be your best bet. For those who enjoy the process of making espresso and want a machine that will last decades, consider the Gaggia, and if space and budget are your main concerns, the DeLonghi Dedica could be the perfect fit. Want to dive deeper into these machines or find direct links to purchase? Head over to the description below this video where you'll find all the information you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest finds in home and kitchen appliances. Let's make your home a chic find, one appliance at a time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy brewing!